hello again, Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining me today. What I'm here with is SunChaser's Geneva 20 Cruise, an emerald green, really nice tan. We have an 8.5 foot wide boat, 20 long, and a seating capacity of up to 10 adults. Why don't you come on board and take a look. Lots of really cool features here on the SunChaser as we go back. One of the cool features here, pop-up changing room right here. Comes right up out, lets you to get out of that wet swimsuit. Lets you get out of the cold if you need a restroom in there. Some people go that way. Really nice option there. As we go a little further back, we've got the captain's area here. So we have this nice fiberglass helm. We have tilt steering. We have a Humminbird Helix 5 fish finder, depth finder, as well as a Bluetooth stereo. Traditional L-shaped seating here, along with a nice table. As we go here towards the back, you do see the sun deck feature, which doubles as a great place to hang out, and also excellent storage space. So when you have that mooring cover put away, great place to stuff it here out of the way, keep those life jackets, any of those options. So a really nice additional space here. And also we have the power bimini top, which opens with just the push of a button. So really complete boat here, really nice package. With everything we sell here at the Charles Mill Marina, we include a mooring cover, a full safety package, on-water demo, and delivery anywhere in the state of Ohio. And we're also going to take care of your titling and registration needs here in-house. This is the boat for you. Feel free to give us a call or text us at 419-368-5951. We'll see you soon.